Today I'm here with something very useful for the people who are trying to do makeup for the first time, or the people who are trying to get some product when they are getting into doing makeup. Hello my dear friends, welcome back to our channel. If you're finding this channel for the first time, please do consider subscribing after watching this complete video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Most of the people will be doing makeup on a daily basis, but still there might be people who are trying to put up things together to get a good beginner's pack. So here I am going to suggest you some products which I feel very useful and also in a budget friendly way. So for watching that, watch the video till the end, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and also to follow me on my social media handle. So coming to moisturizer. Moisturizer is a really important step. You might feel oily skin people do not need to moisturize, but it is an absolute wrong thing. You should be moisturized even if you're having whatever kind of skin. You must see what kind of products or what kind of ingredients are in that. So for knowing that, I have made a video just before this. That is my first video, not my intro video, then my first main video. So go check it there so you can understand what kind of products or what kind of ingredients might be causing the bumps on or something which is in your face. So I will put a playlist at the end of this video, so or otherwise you can just go and check it there. It is a really helpful video. It's a very short video, but at the same time it is a really helpful video. So coming into the moisturizer, now I'm having this Mamaearth face moisturizer. This is of apple cider vinegar. This is especially for acne prone skin. This is non-comedogenic and paraben free, silicone free and water. So the makeup beginners kit I'm showing you will be below 200, the single product. Okay, this is the Wow Skin Science, again apple cider vinegar moisturizer. This costed for 349 rupees. Might be getting offers from Amazon for 200 or something. You need a moisturizer which is having a hell lot of ingredients and you will be confused. You can just use some aloe vera gel. This is from Wishcare. Again, I have done a review on this in my Instagram. If you haven't seen, go check that. It is a really good moisturizer for my sure god, because I have used Patanjali one before. It is, I can't blame any brand, but still it is the crappiest thing which I have used before. Okay, if you are having another good aloe vera gel, of course you can use that. Coming to sunscreen, here I am having the Greenberry Organics Spray Sunscreen Lotion ml, and this is SPF 40 plus, which is really good. 6.99 is the MRP. I think it might be reduced in Amazon or something, but it is a bit pricier side. If you don't get this, I know this is a beginner's kit, but I don't have all my products over here because it's lockdown. Everything is in my hostel, so I couldn't take everything. This is one option. You can also get Mamaearth and also Wow Skin Science. I'm having here few products which is really effective and which is good, I think, in my opinion. So the first thing I'm having is the Pond's BB cream, and this just costed for 67 rupees. And it is really good. It is for instant spot coverage and plus natural glow. If you are a person who don't apply makeup every day or who apply makeup every day, this is a good option, because for the starters it is a really good option. It does most of the things. It gives a bit coverage and also makes the skin a bit glowy. That is a good product. Then to a concealer, if you are a person who are having tiny spots or big spots which might not be covered with that, you can use a concealer. I'm having the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer. This is a good concealer which is cost friendly, affordable. Or rather than this, you can also get Naibe. I don't have that packaging here. It is available on purple.com. You can go and check it over there. It's just costing, I think, below 100 or 97 rupees or something. I'm going to show you the compact powder which I'm using. It is also a good option. This is of L'Oreal Paris. This costed MRP is 470 rupees, but I think I got it 400 and something from Flipkart. This is a really good option, and my shade is Nude Honey. It is a really good product. Oh my god, I didn't show you the packaging. It is a really cool packaging. I love this. This is having the powder over here. Actually it is broken, don't feel bad. Okay, this is having a sponge over here. So that is the compact powder which I was talking. So for me, I think I personally believe that doing your lips and brows will make the perfect skin or perfect makeup. Unfortunately, I'm having 2 to 3 babies on my face over here and there. I don't know why it is here. Okay, then for brows, I will show you 1 to 3 options. The first one which I highly recommend is the Wet n Wild retractable pencil. Oh my god, it is a really life-changing product. See, it lasted for me about 1 year, 1 whole year, and it is a really good product. I love the Wet n Wild series in this. I think Maybelline or some other brands are also having the same kind of thing. Whichever you are feeling good, you can buy that. I think this I got for a discount of 169, 39, something like that, below 200 only. So I got this. This is a really good option. And the other thing, you can also get a brown color lip liner plus eyebrow liner like this. You can use that for both functions. You can use even it as a liner on your top. So this is a multifunctional thing. This is the cheapest thing I got it for. I think this also I got from Smitten. I think it cost only below 200. You can just check it. Either you can get a normal brown color pencil, which is this should be smooth. Okay, this is from the brand Roselle, and this is the ultra fine soft eye and lip liner with vitamin E in it. So see my brows, I have done today my brows with this particular thing because my retractable pencil, the thing is over. To the liner, the sketch liner, I use this Maybelline gel liner, but it is costly. It is more than 500, I think. For the beginners, I don't prefer in the sense, if you can get, but for in an affordable side, this is the Cal Cosmetics sketch liner. This is okay product. I don't prefer it a lot. And also you can get something like a Lakme normal liner. This is from Lakme Enriched Lipstick. See, actually I was planning to give a single review on this particular lipstick, but I don't have a lot of shade of this. I just have this red shade because I was looking for a red color. I was not having that. So you can see this is the shade. I have just applied very lightly on my lips. It gives a good color, but it is having a odd smell which I don't like, but still it is affordable. I think it's about I got it from the store. It costed me around 200 rupees, but I think from the online shopping sites you will get more in a reduced rate. It's Nykaa mini series. This is the shade Bombay, which I really love. This is a perfect shade you can ever get. Okay, this is a really good shade. This comes for about 199 from Nykaa. It is a really good perfect shade. I'm also having another option. You can see this is a very nasty thing which I'm having. I know because keeping it in my makeup pouch, putting it here and there, my college bag, everywhere, its color is gone. It's almost over. But this is a Lakme Enriched Lip Crayon. This is a very cool product. This doesn't last long, but still you can have it in your pocket. Even in your pocket you can put it and go. Just need a sharpener. This lasts for a really long time. Okay, not on the lips, but it runs for at least a month or 2. Okay, and if you are scared of using mascara, I will prefer to use a curler. Even this might be scary for you, but still if you learn to do this and then go to mascara, you will be, I personally believe that it will be a good option. See, I haven't applied anything on my lashes. Oh my god, I should do like this. I haven't applied anything on my lashes. See, I've just curled my lashes. By the way, my lashes are a bit more big. It is lengthy, but I think the people who are still not know how to do your lashes, you can just have a curler like this. It is just costing about 120 or I think below 130 or 150 rupees. You can get it. If you don't know to put eyeshadow as a beginner, I know most of the people might be struggling to do the eyeshadow perfectly, so you can get a small little golden shade like this. This is from Cal Cosmetics. Even this is also a very affordable range, or otherwise you can get the small palette, or I think the palettes with nudes a lot, you can get something like that. And this is my personal preference. This is just a gold shade which will give you make your eyes pop up a bit more. And next I'm having a beauty blender. I know this is a bit nasty, I haven't washed. This is a silicone beauty blender, or you can also get a beauty blender, but I got it for about 12. I think I got it for 12 rupees from AliExpress. I know a bit. But yeah, it is a really cool product. You can use it if you're a beginner, and also you can also get a small beauty sponge. It might be only costing about 69 rupees. It is a really cool option. Kajal. This is a Lakme Kajal. I think I'm having a lot from Lakme, right? Lakme liner. This is a Kajal. I think this costed around 76 rupees. This is also a cool option for the people who are just needing to put your kajal. This will smudge, okay? This is not a non-smudge thing, but for the inner line, the water line, it is good. So these are the product I'm having. Since I'm having a suggestions. As a suggestion for you guys, as a beginner makeup kit, you can include whatever. I have also shown many options and also given you some tips to select your shades and everything. So you can go accordingly and tell me and give me some suggestions in the comment box, okay? Tell me which product you are currently using, or you might be recommending, or you might be needing to know more. Please do comment on the comment section. Also, if you're having any kind of suggestions, also do let me know in the comment section. Also, how many also I have spoken till this time, okay? And again, please do follow me on my Instagram and social media handles so you will get notified whenever I upload a new video or a new post, okay? So this is Shilpa signing off from our channel. So bye bye, take care.